In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashcards in Trello for task management, specifically focusing on counter cards that can help streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, when you're on your Trello board, the starting point of our journey is the power-ups section. Power-ups are a crucial feature in Trello that supercharges your boards with helpful tools and integrations. Go ahead and click on the Power-ups button, typically located at the top of your board view. This will open a menu where you can see all the available power-ups. Next, you'll want to click on the Add Power-ups option. Once clicked, a new window should open, displaying a list of power-ups that you can integrate into your Trello boards. Here you want to focus your attention on the search bar, which is a handy tool for filtering through the multitude of options available. Type in Dashcards to narrow down your search. Once you find the Dashcards option, the next step is straightforward. Click on Add. This action will install the Dashcards power-up onto your board, allowing you to use its functionalities. After this is complete, go ahead and close the menu to tidy up your workspace a bit. Now with the Dashcards power-up added, you should again click on the Power-ups button, but this time you'll see Dashcards listed among your options. Click on Track within the Dashcards section, which is the feature that will enable you to create and manage your Dashcards effectively. Authorization within Trello is essential for using Dashcards, so the next step is to click on Authorize with Trello. This will prompt Trello to request your permission to let Dashcards access your boards. Don't worry about security, this is a secure process. Simply click on Allow to grant the necessary permissions. After this, you can go ahead and close the menu once again. The Dashcards power-up should now be active. Go ahead and click on Track Power-up and then on Customize. This is where the magic happens. Begin by selecting your specific Trello board where you want your dashcard to be applied. Following this, choose the particular list within your board that you want to work with. Once your list is selected, click on Assigned. Here you have the opportunity to further refine your dashcard settings by filtering tasks by due date or label, whichever suits your needs best. These filters are instrumental in targeting the tasks you truly want to focus on and track. Finally, when everything is set according to your needs, click on Start Tracking. This will activate your custom dashcard, providing you with a real-time view of your selected tasks, complete with counters from the criteria you've just set up. And there you have it, a simple way to create dashcards in Trello. This customization will not only enhance your productivity, but also offer deeper insights into your task management. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.